Man.
extreme to the next. We can't get comfortable.
I guess not. But you know what? I'm not going to be complaining. Christmas Day, being outside, 70s.
I know.
It's going to be nice.
It changes up a lot of folks' Christmas plans. I can tell you that. Maybe thinking, hey, we might be able to enjoy some lunch even outdoors. Will you ever be thinking that we could be doing that in December? No, but yes, those temperatures will be warm enough. Before we get there, let's get you through today what we're talking about. We do have a passing cold front this morning, and it is going to knock those temperatures down. Notice a lot of us are in those 60s, but behind it, Osage County, you can see your temperatures dropping into those 50s. So we will start to see these temperatures dropping a little bit before we start to see any improvement by this afternoon. I mean, an improvement, let's face it, 50 is our average high temperature for this time of the year, so we're already well above that. Hey, wind advisory, that was issued by this National Weather Service early this morning. This is going into effect starting at 9 a.m. until 6 this evening for wind gusts upward of about 45 miles per hour. Tulsa, that does include us. So we're going to continue with those wind gusts, likely peaking about 30 to 45 starting at about 9 a.m. and really not letting up until the evening commute. So great day to pack the lunch. It's 62 here in the Tulsa Metro. We had a high yesterday of 65. I'm going to let you think about that. It's 62 right now, and our high yesterday was 65. It's very warm to start. Southwesterly winds right now, 15 miles per hour. We're going to see those switching direction here at the next hour to two out of the northwest. You can really see where that cold front is situated right now with those temperatures warmer down to the south and along I-44 back to the north. They're in the 50s. We're going to keep those temperatures dropping to about 49. So I did tell you we will drop a little bit before we see an improvement, getting into those 50s and then tumbling as we head into the evening hours. Overnight lows around 28. So there are the impacts, that cold front that will be sliding through for today. Tomorrow we had the return of southerly winds, and that's going to warm those temperatures back into those 50s by tomorrow afternoon. Whereas that rain, we have a slim chance this morning. Might even have to knock that down to about a 10% from what I'm seeing right now. If you're along and just to the east of that cold front, that's going to be the better opportunity. So Tulsa, we're already past that. Not seeing any precipitation in the extended planner, unfortunately. We need it. Drought monitor will have the latest updates coming out this afternoon, but things are not looking great. In fact, I was looking at what we've seen in the last measurable rainfall here for Tulsa, measurable good rainfall was November 24th. It's December 18th. It's been a while. All right, temperatures next week staying above average, even with this cold front coming through, really not knocking us down, not getting any cold Arctic air anytime soon as well.
2 News Oklahoma Traffic is sponsored by Western